Let's continue solving problems about hyperbola. This time the vertex is not at the origin and it's at hk. So let's rewrite the equation. So that's y squared over 9 minus x plus 2 squared equals 1. So in this case, the center is at hk. So our h is -2 and k here with y is nothing, so that's 0. Since y squared is the positive sign, so we know that this hyperbola is vertical. So our a is the square root of 9, which is 3. B is the square root of 1. So we have an over 1 here. So 1. And C is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. So C is equal to 9 plus 1. So C is equal to the square root of 10. So that's our values of A, B, and C. Okay, so let's graph our center. So our center is -2, 0. So it's here. A is under y, so under y squared, so it means we go up 3 units above the center and 3 units below. Okay, and our B is 1. One unit. And then we draw the imaginary rectangle so we can identify and graph the asymptotes. And we know the asymptotes are the diagonals of the rectangle. Okay, there you go. So for our vertices, the coordinates would be at h and k plus or minus a, because it's a vertical hyperbola. So our vertices would be at -2, k is 0, so 0 plus or minus 3. So our hyperbola would look something like this. Okay, now for our focus. So the focus is inside each curve, so it's at h, k plus or minus c. So for this problem, we have -2, k 0 plus or minus square root of 10. And square root of 10 is about 3.16. So let's graph our foci, so somewhere here, and the other one somewhere there. For the equation of our asymptotes, so we'll follow y minus k is equal to plus or minus a over b x minus h. So y minus k 0 is equal to plus or minus a over b, so 3 over 1, that's 3 x minus -2, so it's plus 2. So final equation of our asymptotes would be y is equal to plus or minus 3 times x plus 2.